Today, we are going to talk about a project I've been wanting to share with you for a long time already. Being a geek, I always wanted to make my bedroom smart. However, looking at how expensive smart devices were, I decided to make a series to show you how you can build your own smart bedroom at a fraction of the cost using Arduinos and Raspberry Pis. I will be uploading a new episode every week, where we will cover different topics such as how to control your lights, motorize your curtains and windows, control your air conditioners and heaters, build a smart mirror, and how to install and use smart sensors to automate your bedroom. We will also go over different software solutions and platforms and compare them so you can find the best one for you. So if you are interested to join me on this adventure, make sure to subscribe. We are starting next week with our first project, where we are going to replace the LED strip behind me and build a custom controller for it. I can't wait to see you in the next episode.